Now we will see Python list inbuilt functions. Python provides lots of inbuilt functions in the list. So we will see some of them that are more frequently used. So here I'm defining a list. L is equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A. Okay. Now I'll use some functions from the list. First I'll use the length of the list, because when we apply some loops to the list, we need to know the length of the list. Okay. So length is equal to len is a function. Inside the len we need to pass name of the list, and you can print the length. It have length 8 elements. Okay, and we can calculate the maximum element of the list. Like we have function max of L. It will give you the maximum element. Maximum element is 8, and we can calculate the min element also. Min is 1, and we can convert a sequence to a list. Like we have a function list. S is equal to go edu hub. Okay. Now I just want to convert this to a list. So S is equal to L1 equals to list S. And now you can print the L1. And this is a list. Okay. And we have some more functions, like we have used the append function. Append function is append a new element to the end of the list. Like our list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to add more elements at the end of the list. Then we can use append function. Like L dot append. I just want to append the 100. Okay. And then I'll print L. In the Jupyter, if I just want to print a single variable, then I can write directly variable name. Don't need to pass inside the print. You can pass inside the print also, but I can directly print the single variable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 100 is appended at the end of the list. And we can append another list also, like A is equal to 50, 150. And now I'll append this list to L1. Okay. L dot append A, and I'll print the L. And you can see L is like I have executed this code 2 times. So it is appended 2 times. 100 and then 50, 150 and then 50, 150. So append method is only append new elements to end of the list. And like we have appended a list, so if you append a list to the another list, the list that you append become a single element at the end of the first list. This is appending the complete list as a single element. And we have another function called the extend function. Extend, append the elements of a one list to the another list separately, each and every element. Like we will see extend. Now we have a list A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have another list B is equal to 8, 9, 10. And if you extend A, like we are extending A by elements of B. A dot extend B, print A, then you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. A is extending all the elements of B. List can also be concatenated with the plus operator. Like if you don't want to use the extend, then you can use the plus operator. Like C is equal to A plus B. And then you can print C. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10. Till 10 we have A. This is our last A. And B we have 8, 9, 10. So C would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we have seen so many functions. Now I'll tell you some more functions. Like one of the important function is index function. Index function tells you index of a particular value. Like we want to get the index of first occurrence of input value. Like here I'm writing A dot index of 8. Index of 8 is 5 because it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this is 6th element, so index of 6th element is 5. And we can provide two arguments also in the index. Like first argument is a value for which we want to search the index, and second argument we can give the range of the index, like from where we want to search. Like I just want to search second 8, so I can write a dot index, and inside this I just want to index for 8 comma that should start from 6. Okay, till 5 I'm ignoring, I'm taking the list from the 6th element. So it will search from the 6th element. And you can see we got an error, value error. A is not in list because there is no 8 starting at the location of 6. You can see in the A. Like what is our A? Our A is this one. From the 6th position there is no 8. In the C we have 8 from the 6th position. So I can change this like C dot index 8 comma 6, and now you can see 8 is 8th index. This is the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th index. Similarly, we have another function called insert. Inserts the value just before the specified index. Like I just want to insert a particular value at 5th position. In the insert function, I need to pass two values. One is the index and second is particular value which I want to insert in the list. Like inside the C dot insert, first I need to pass the index, like I just want to insert at 6th position, and the value I want to insert is hello. And you can see C, and C is inserted at the position of 6th position, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th position. Okay. And for deleting the elements, we have pop function like C dot pop, and inside the pop, if I'll pass an index of a value, like I'm passing here index 6. Okay, and you can see at the 6th position we have hello, and we have passed this position. So pop have removed element at 6th position. Okay. And if you don't pass any value inside the pop, then it will remove the last element. Like 10, it have removed. So you can say pop removes and returns the item at index, and with no argument, it removes and returns the last element of the list. In short, you can say pop removes and returns the item at a index with no argument. If we are passing pop empty, then it removes and returns the last element of the list. There is another function called the remove for deleting an item. Like inside the pop, we are passing the index, but inside the remove, we are passing the particular value. Like I just want to remove 10. So A dot remove 10. Sorry, I'll write here C dot remove because we are using the C. C dot remove 10 and C, and you can see 10 value is removed. It's not taking the index, it's taking the particular value, and remove the first occurrence of a specified value. And if the provided value cannot found, a value error is raised. Like again, if I'll write C dot remove 10, and you know in our list there is no 10, so we can run this. This is value error. Next function we will see reverse the string. Next function is reverse. In this, reverse the list in place and returns none. Like I have written here a dot reverse and then print a. Then the output is 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There is other ways also for reversing a string. Okay. Another function I can consider is the count. A dot count. Count will get the count of a particular value. Counts the number of occurrence of some value in the list. So like here, what the repetitive, there is nothing repetitive. Like I'll write here 5, it will give you count 1. If 5 2 times or 3 times in a list, then it will give you the count of particular value. And we can sort the list using sort function like a dot sort. It is sorted list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, and inside the sort I can do the reverse is equal to true, so it will sort in descending order. A dot sort reverse equals to true. Now it is sorted in reverse order. And we have clear function remove all the items from the list, like a dot clear, it will empty the list. And there is one more function for the deletion is del. Del keyword is used to delete the elements from the list. We can delete multiple elements at a time. Like here, our list is A and we want to delete a last element. So A of del A of -1. It will delete the last element only. You can see now 1 is deleted. When I want to delete like 4 and 3, 2 elements at a time or 3 elements at a time, then I can give the slice here del A like 3:5, and then I can print A. It have deleted third and fourth index element. Third and fourth index element is 4 and 3. Okay. So these are some functions we frequently use in the list. There are lots of functions. You can go through the Python documentation of list functions, or whenever you are using any function, you can see the syntax of that particular function.